This is a quick video on how you can deploy your HTML, CSS, JavaScript website on Vercel. So, so this is a portfolio website. It has many things like resume, portfolio, blogs, and many things. This website is completely written in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is the code which I have it in VS Code. Now, the first thing I need to do to deploy it on Vercel is to set up my GitHub account. So I'll go on here, source control, and click on publish to GitHub. So it's asking me either I want to publish on the GitHub private repository or public repository. You can choose any option. I'll go with public repository. And here it will show you all the files which is selected. If you want to deselect any file, you can just click it and that file will be deselected. Click on OK. So the main branch, which is here, it is getting published and you can see it says the first commit. Now I will open GitHub from the bottom right. You can see open on GitHub. I'll click on that. You can also go to github.com to see your repository. So this is basically my repository. The name of the repository is portfolio template and it's a public one. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll go to my Vercel. So I'll go to Vercel and you need to sign into the Vercel. So just sign in and then you will be shown with this kind of interface. Now I already have two projects. Now I will add this project. So you need to click on add new and click on the project. Once you have done that, it will ask you which GitHub repository you want to import. So you can see we have portfolio template and I'll click on that. So I'll click on import. All right, so I've clicked on import and the project name is portfolio template, which is fine. Uh, Framework is other. It will automatically detect it's a HTML, CSS, JavaScript project. And the other thing which is important is environment variable. If you have something like API key or any environment variables which you want to set up, you can just add it here and then click on deploy. When you click on deploy, in few seconds, the project will be deployed on Vercel. Let's wait for that. Okay, it says congratulations, you just deployed a new project and I'll go to the dashboard. All right, so this is the project. You will see the domain here. So the Vercel has created the domain for name for us. I click on it and you can see now it has its own URL, which is of Vercel, and the project is successfully deployed in Vercel. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments and please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for your time.